if you know, you know, okay? Like, hey babes, so today I'm going to show you how I get my face looking right in under 10 minutes. So if you want to know the tea, keep on watching. So we're gonna get right into this video. Today I'm using this primer from Yves Saint Laurent. It is their blot and lotion primer, and it's really good if you have oily combo skin. I do have oily combo skin, so this 5 to 10 minute makeup look is gonna be perfect for someone with that skin type. If you have a normal or dry skin type, you could always substitute products and just do the same exact routine with products that are gonna give you more hydration and not be as mattifying. Although I don't have too many mattifying products, a couple of them do help with mattifying, like this primer for example. So yeah, I just put this all over. I always like to prime because I feel like it does help my makeup last longer. Primer and setting spray are two things I definitely like using. Primer and setting spray are two things I definitely feel like help with longevity. So next I'm going to go in with the product that's kind of like an all-in-one product. I'm going to use the ILIA Super Serum Skin Tint. It has SPF 40. I'm going to shake this product. I actually really enjoy this product, and on days when I'm doing my makeup real quick, I usually go for a skin tint, like a tinted moisturizer. That way it's not a super heavy look, it's really lightweight, and they tend to just blend a lot easier. And since it's not full coverage, I'm not pressured to try to get every single spot. So I'm using a brush with this because I feel like the brushes give you a little bit more coverage, especially with a tinted moisturizer type of product. And I do have a few favorites. This is one of my faves, but this one from ILIA is one of my favorites because it has SPF 40. I also do love the Fenty skin tint and the YSL skin tint. So those are some other ones that I actually really enjoy. I know my face is giving dewy right now, but don't you worry. It's gonna settle down in a few. I'm gonna go into concealer next. No matter what, I always do concealer. It's an essential for me. Like sometimes I do my makeup with just concealer. Like it's just something that I feel like it's a non-negotiable. It's like a non-negotiable when it comes to makeup. It just, you know, hides everything you want to hide. And I'm also going to put some under my brow. A little concealer under your brows makes all the difference. I'm going to take this brush and just go over and carve it out. On days where I don't have a lot of time and I want to do a 10-minute look, I tend to use products that blend a lot easier than others. I don't want to waste time blending out a product that's going to take me a million years to blend. I do have products that I really love, but they take a lot of effort when it comes to blending out, so I avoid them on days like today. This is a thicker concealer, so it's going to give you a little bit more coverage. I have a couple other concealers that I tend to use when I'm doing like an everyday 10-minute look, and I'll share them with you guys in a second just so you have an idea. The concealer is blended. I'm going to show you guys a couple other ones that I like using. So this one from ILIA and this one from Clinique as well. I enjoy using on days where I'm in a hurry. I find that they blend out pretty quickly and they give a good amount of coverage. Next, I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty powder. I'm going to set under my eye. I always set. I never skip this step because if I skip setting my concealer, it's like I might as well have not done concealer because it's going to just crease and look insane. Into my forehead. I'm also gonna add some to my eyelid because that area gets super shiny. So I'm into my brows real quick. I'm gonna use this pencil from Benefit to do my brows. So brows help shape your face, and I feel like it's a step that you really should not skip unless your brows are like professionally done, or they just, some people have really good brows, like all they need to do is get it, you know, threaded or waxed and it looks amazing. If that's you, you definitely do not need to fill your brows in. My brows are underwhelming, so I'm gonna fill them in. This is my quick brow routine, so you see it took like 2 seconds. All right, let's do the other side. And doing the concealer first actually really helps because it frames the bottom. So next we're gonna go in with this setting spray because this is definitely like a staple for me. If you know, you know. Okay, like I love this stuff. It's amazing. Once that dries, I'm gonna take a little bit more powder and just press that into my skin. This step is optional, but it's gonna help give you a more flawless look, and I shared this tip in one of my last makeup videos, so I'll have it linked below. I go in more detail, but yeah, I like to just do this under my eye to make it look, you know, super flawless. And I'm gonna go in next with bronzer, so I'm gonna take this one from GLOWISH. I'm gonna use this to frame my face. On days where I'm in a hurry and I only have like 5 minutes, I choose between a bronzer and blush. Unfortunately, like I feel like I have to pick, because if I do both, that's like extra time added that I don't have, so I have to choose between the two. So yeah, today we're doing bronzer for our 10-minute look. And you guys, I am talking, so it's gonna take longer than 10 minutes to do this makeup because I'm talking and explaining things. Trust me, if you're not talking and you're just doing your makeup and in the zone, it's gonna take under 10 minutes to do this. I'm gonna use this MAC lip liner in Cork to line my lips. Lip liner is a step that I may skip depending on what's going on with my lip. If I'm doing like a gloss and I don't need lip liner with it, I'm not gonna do it. If I am using like a lipstick, then I probably will use a lip liner. So today I'm doing the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Super Fabulous. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Super Fabulous. Pretty, it's a nude color and it's real pretty. I'm gonna top it off with this Kaja gloss in Vacay Shine. I do like using an all over face powder, so I'm gonna use this one from NARS today and just put this like all over my face. And this one does have a nice glow to it, so it's perfect for the spring and summer. This step is completely optional, but I actually like doing it, so we're gonna do it. This also helps blend everything together. I decided to add a little bit of blush because although, you know, we are pretty much done, I figure we can use the last couple seconds to throw on some blush. And this is using the Kaja Trio palette. This is what that looks like. This is the perfect palette to use for days like this because you actually have 3-in-1. So I could have used the bronzer from this, and also it has a highlighter in case I wanted to use highlight. So this is the highlighter, which I'll actually toss this into my inner corner of my eyes. This right in here because I always like doing this. But yeah, give me like a little bit down here. Bit down here for some razzle dazzle. Let me go fix my hair and I'll be back. Alright babe, so this is our under 10-minute makeup look, and you could always alternate, alter anything you want. You can definitely swap out any product and replace it with one of your favorites. I hope you got some tips and enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.